In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Vertex AI API key. So Vertex AI uses a authentication instead of API key. So this means you need to generate a service account key to authenticate API requests. So here's how you can do it. So listen carefully as I explain each step. So some steps in here may be inaccessible due to restrictions. So yeah, let's assume that we have a fully access here in Vertex AI. So before getting credentials, make sure your Vertex API or AI is enabled. So make sure you are on the Google Cloud Console in here. And this is the Vertex AI Studio. So now to get the API, so on the upper left corner beside the Google Cloud logo, you will see there a menu icon. So click on that and then click the API keys. And in here, so wait for it to load up. So in here, you will see a API key. So as you can see, it's only one though. So click this show key if you want to show your API key. And also you can create a API key via clicking or entering the create API key plus button beside the API keys logo. And that's it. That's how to get API key in Vertex AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.